Hello everyone, welcome back on Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good, staying safe and staying happy. Today I'm back with yet another quick, easy and healthy recipe, and that is sambar recipe. It is a great accomplishment with idli, dosa, uttapam and many more. And yes, this is without onion garlic. So let's start with the recipe and see what all we need. Here I heated a pan with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and I added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I let the mustard seeds crackle. Then I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or the methi seeds. In goes 1 teaspoon of urad dal and handful of curry patta leaves. It gives nice aroma and flavor to sambar. I'll be adding in little asafoetida or hing as you call it. Now goes 1 whole Kashmiri red chili, and I'll be adding in mixed vegetables. In that I've taken lady finger, snake gourd, then raw banana, drumstick, yam, pumpkin, French beans, carrot. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Give it a stir. If you want, you can add little water and let it cook, but since this is non-stick, I'll be just covering it and let it cook in its own juices. In some time you will notice the vegetables have cooked properly and have become soft. At this point I'll be adding in pressure cooked dal. So in that dal I took 1/4 cup of tur dal and 2 tablespoons of moong dal and I pressure cooked it. Add it into this vegetable. I'll be adding little more water. You can adjust the consistency at this point. This is a wholesome meal and it's very healthy, and as you can see it's very quick as well. In goes 1 tomato chopped finely. Again give it a mix and let the tomatoes cook and become soft. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. You can soak little tamarind in the water and use the pulp. In goes 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Adjust the spiciness as per your requirement. In goes little salt as per your taste. And now give it a mix. I have used here very basic masalas, but there is still no compromise in the taste. The taste is really superb. Now once the vegetables and the dal boils, here I'll be adding 1 to 1/2 tablespoon of sambar powder, and I'm using here ready-made sambar powder, but at the end of the video I have shared with you how to make homemade sambar powder as well. You can use that. You can use sambar powder any brand of your choice, and this is the essence of whole sambar. The taste depends on the powder you add. Let it boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm using here Achi brand sambar powder. In Dubai you get this in Nesto and in Bakar Moibi as well. And here is the recipe for sambar powder. If you want to make it at home, it's very easy, so try it. I hope you like today's recipe. It's very easy, very quick, and a great meal for your breakfast or lunch, even for a dinner. I hope you like today's recipe. If yes, then please hit that like button, share this recipe with your loved ones, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed so far. See you in my next interesting videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.